Hi, what is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? A little extra. Do you want to have an extraordinary life? Watch this video till the end. Hi, today's topic is how to have an extraordinary life. Before going to this topic, if you are new to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and also press the bell symbol so that you get constant updates. And again, you can also visit my Facebook fan page. The links are given below, and the other social media links are also given in the description below. When I started to study about some of the successful people, I found one thing very common, that is willing to change. They were ready to change. When on the other side, many people resist change. They are not willing to change. They live a mediocre life. They live an ordinary life. People who live an extraordinary life are willing to change. So this experiment comes in my mind. In fact, this experiment was done in 19th century on a frog. When you put a frog in a boiling water, it jumps out immediately. But if you put the same frog in a pan of water and boil it slowly, it is cooked to death. The frog had all the freedom to jump out of the pot. The moment it found out the temperature is raising, it could have jumped out. But what happened? The frog resists to change. Many of us are living the example of the frog where the temperature is raising slowly. Many people suffer, or many people realize only when they come to the end of the road. They are broke financially, they are broke in their relationship, they have almost given up in their health, and that's the time they realize, oh, I made a mistake in my life. One of my favorite saying is, either you change or you'll be forced to change. Which is better? Better change. Ask yourself, whatever you are doing today, is it giving you pain or pleasure? Again, for a long term, where will you be? Where you see yourself after 5 years? Where you will see after 10 years? Where you will see after 20 years? You need to foresee things. Most of us are living a life to avoid pain and to have pleasure. When we foresee things, we may change our plan on a daily basis. There's a myth that you work hard for some time and after that you settle. After that you enjoy. After that you relax. There's nothing like that. If you ask any successful person, they are still learning and they're still growing. And still there are challenges. Because change is inevitable. Change is constant. You either grow or you die. Just imagine, you keep a fruit on the table and don't do anything on it. What happens? It dies. It's your life and nobody can change for you. When I turn back and see my life, I've been constantly growing spiritually, mentally, physically and financially. Yes, when I took the decision in 2004 to quit my government job, a safe, secure government job, the first question which I asked myself was, where I'll be after 20 years? When I saw my seniors after 20 years, what kind of lifestyle they were having, I said, I don't want this life. I want to change. And that's the reason I quit my job. A safe, secure government job. I quit it. Was there a pain? Yes, there was a pain. In the process, I learned a lot. I went through so many ups and downs. But today when I turn back, I'm happy to say, I've been transforming thousands and thousands of lives globally. I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy for the decision which I took in year 2004. I just came out of the comfort zone. And today, is it stopped? No, I'm still learning and still growing. but I enjoy that. So if you really want to have an extraordinary life, are you willing to change? Are you willing to go through this small pain or sufferings to go to the next level? It could be physically, it could be mentally, it could be spiritually or financially. Where are you today? Ask yourself this question. Where you want to see yourself after 1 year, after 5 years, after 20 years? Ask the simple question which will change your life completely. What I want to achieve in this life? What I want to achieve in this life? By when I want to achieve that? And reason out, why do I want to achieve it? Just don't give an example of just money, because money is a byproduct. So reason out, why do you want to achieve that? And the fourth one, what is the action plan? How do you plan to achieve it? When you are very clear about it, believe me, definitely you will see a growth. And you can do it even for a daily basis. What I want to achieve today, or what I want today, why I want this, and how do I plan to achieve it? As I keep saying, the quality of the questions you ask decides the quality of your life. So ask the quality questions. Definitely you will see a change. You will see a growth. And don't resist to change. If you find somewhere you're stuck and you don't know how to come out of it, as I keep saying, this particular program is available online and you can be in any part of the world and can reach me out. My numbers are flashing here. Please do call me if you really want to make a difference in your life. Again, please share this video to as many people as you can. As I keep saying, the more you share, the more you gain. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.